Alice, so today we're 1 year on YouTube, so let's go make mess on the table. So today we're doing no ball, no spoon, slime challenge! Yes! So let's make mess! Yeah! Okay, so Alice, first thing we need to do, roll up our sleeves. Roll up our sleeves. Roll up our sleeves. Alice is like, yee. Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Who's going to be spinning? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Okay, she cut me. She cut my little pinky off. Ooh! I thought it's a bit too hard. It's going to go on for ages. Okay, there you go. Ow! I have a cut now. Alice, you cut me.
For ages.
3 days later.
Come on. Let it stop now. Let it go. Okay, gold glue. Alice is starting off with gold glue. There you go.
Make mess, Alice. Gabi, your turn.
I'm not spinning it that hard because I don't want it to just spin it. Whoa, Alice, you're just making a whole mess.
It's still spinning.
I
Oh
know.
my god.
This
It's
is
still
poo.
spinning.
Still spinning.
It's still spinning.
This
With
is
the
poo.
purple glue, Gabi.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
Purple glue.
Purple, purple, purple. There you go. Hello, purple. Hello.
Alice, oh. I know
Wait,
what's going
let's
on. Okay, your turn, Alice.
Your turn.
Your turn. Alice,
Alice,
too
that's
strong.
going to be too strong. It's going to be spinning on for ages.
Gabi, make mess on the table.
I want it to fit in one spot, but right now it's not helping me. So yeah.
Guys, before we finish this spin, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe and click the bell, yes?
Yeah! I made a pancake.
Oh my god, that looks quite good, Gabi. How many rounds we doing, guys? Girls?
5?
Oh no, Alice. Alice, shaving cream.
Shaving.
Shaving cream.
Oh. Alice, you don't put it like this, you put it like this. Okay.
Oh, Alice putting the glue on it. What is this, Alice?
Okay, I'm going to make a tiny little spin. That's my
And
spin.
how you will spin right now?
I'll put off. Okay, what's my colour, please?
What is...
It's spinning on for
I
ages.
think here is YouTube spirit.
Yeah. Silver
Silver glitter. Silver glitter.
I
Alice,
already have
your
silver
turn.
glitter.
Your turn.
I have white hands. Oh. Okay, I'm not going to spin that a lot. I'm going to have a beautiful surface.
Yes, that's good. That's quite good, Gabi.
Alice is just like a mess over there. And then our kitty is in the room. Yes?
Is
Ginger?
someone in the room? Yes.
That looks like Ginger.
Will be, what will be?
What's that? Ah!
We missed one thing. Silver glitter.
Silver glitter, where has it gone? Oh jeez, we lost.
We lost one thing. Gabi, spin the wheel.
Silver glitter. Oh, look there. It's this little human. It's just jumped off. We can't now land on yellow and purple. This is definitely Ginger. She's making a cat.
Okay, what you have? What you have? Why
just
is
spinning backwards.
south? Why? Gold glitter.
Gold glitter. Okay, good choice. Thank you. There's Ginger.
This is Ginger.
Yes.
It looks pretty. Okay, Alice, spin the wheel.
Okay.
Not too strong, Alice.
That one. Oh, why is it hitting? It's like a pirate song.
And what you have, Alice? What you have? What you have, Alice?
It's
Alice
spinning.
have.
Look at my artwork! It's a kitten!
I have silver glitter again.
No, it's going again.
Oh, going again? No, we still. Gabi, that is your artwork.
Yes, this is my kitten.
Yeah,
I don't
yes,
want to break it. What's that? Making noises?
No, don't know. I don't know. I think that is your Gabi Alice clown. Oh, purple glow. We don't have purple glow. Okie dokie. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
What's going on with this wheel today? Blue glitter.
Blue glitter.
Oh, we don't use this ages the glitter. So Gabby.
Let's make a bow for Ginger. Ginger doesn't like those.
Spin the wheel.
Yes, because Daddy had to fix it because all the heads came off.
Exactly. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Okay, what do you have? What do you have? Shaving cream.
Shaving
Gabby,
cream,
spin
okay.
the wheel.
Alice, you're just getting loads. Okay.
Green
glue.
glow. Oh, that would be cool. Alice, what you doing? Alice.
I'm trying to Yes, I'm putting decorations.
Spin the wheel, Alice.
Beautiful Ginger.
Spin the wheel, Alice. Like proper spin. What is that? Purple glitter.
Babble, babble.
Gabby, spin the wheel.
What
is this?
Eyes.
What is this? You have to make mess. You have to make mess.
Ginger.
You have to make mess.
I need glitter now.
What is that?
Yellow
Yellow
glue.
glue. Yes, Gabby, make the mess. Oh my
Make
God,
the mess.
Alice, you okay?
Make the mess. Is that what I'm supposed to do?
Yes, make the mess. Alice, spin the wheel. You have glitter on your head.
There you go. Can I have some of that? Thank you.
Let's go. Spin the wheel, Alice.
I love yellow. Oh yeah, this is how I put mine. Of course, yeah.
Silver glitter. Alice, you have so many glitter in your slime.
So we're not gonna do it.
Okay, spin again. Woo!
Oh, party time!
Yellow glue. Gabby is already.
There you go.
Yes, again. Blue glue.
Keep on touching this. I don't know why. It's so nice. I think
Gabby.
it's dry.
Your glue is everywhere.
I know.
But
I like my fingers.
spin the wheel.
I'm gonna make the art that I did yesterday.
Black glue.
Okay.
Gabby, are you happy?
Yes, I like galaxy.
You like galaxy, but I think that would be poop galaxy.
Ginger's eyes. He's gonna have a little smiley face before I make him some hair.
Okie dokie, Alice.
This is my beautiful art.
Yeah, it's beautiful art. Oh my god, Gabby.
Yes.
I think we're still going. Yes, we're still going, girls.
Yeah.
Purple glue, Alice. Purple glue we used already, so let's go spin again.
I'm dog. I like playing with this. It's cool. It's cold.
Silver glitter, Alice. What's going on with this glitter today?
Silver. No.
No more.
Wow, I like this.
Gold glue. Perfect, Alice. We have gold glue already, but we have one more. Gabby, that is your last. So let's go, Gabby.
Okay.
Last one.
It looks out
Because
like a girl.
we have.
What is she doing?
Alice, you okay?
Yes. She used my gold glue.
Okie dokie. Next spin, Gabby. And you have blue glitter.
Blue glitter. Okay. This is my beautiful art.
Yes, Alice. That is actually quite nice. Well done, Alice.
I'm trying to be a nice.
Okay, start making slime, girls.
Sleeves up. I'm gonna. There you go.
Yeah, because you don't have spoon, so you have to with hand.
Yes, he looks beautiful. Now I have a hand. Look at him. He's
Gabby's
just a
slime
masterpiece.
already is here.
It's green. My God.
So I will help you, Gabby, a little bit. I have to help Gabby.
And
So,
then me.
and I take all the bottles. So let's go, girls. Let's go. Let's rainbow here. Let's go, girls.
It's dropping. It's dropping. Oh my God.
Okay, I have to help Alice. Okie dokie.
Because she literally.
She have slime everywhere. Okie dokie, girls. Add activator.
Oh no, I have to smash his face.
Yeah, you have to smash this face.
I like doing that.
Let's go, Alice.
Wow. Can somebody help me?
What?
Can somebody help me?
Alice, what's wrong with you today? Alice, you okay?
Wow, look at this. Look at my colour.
What is this color?
It's mint. I got army green.
And Gaby, you have amazing galactic.
No, it's army green.
Army green, no, it's galactic.
Look.
It's black. It's black.
Army green.
Guys, it's black. Yes, they say it's black.
See that? It's army green.
Let's go, Gaby. Yes, and Daddy cleaned the table.
Yes, Daddy cleaned the table because we're super tired and we're in a mess like this. And I'm right now. I'm rotten. Okay, I'm dirty with slime right now. Okay.
Like always.
Yeah. Like always, Alice. Oh. Alice, show me a bubble or whatever you want to do. My painting challenge. Okay, you're
guys, I forgot to show you one thing. That is Alice slime.
Oh no, it made a Y.
Yes, got Alice slime on the wall.
Wow.
That is quite good.
Yay.
That is quite good. Guys, thank you for watching.